Make your own spaghetti sauce with a couple ingredients, a few dollars, and a crock pot. Let me show you how. Hey everyone, it's Zip Dude here. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way that you can make your own spaghetti sauce that tastes great with minimal effort. This recipe is great for people on the go. You can put all your ingredients in, have it cook while you're working, and then return home to have a tasty meal. Our ingredient list is pretty simple. All we need are 3 24-ounce cans of crushed tomatoes, half of an onion, 4 garlic cloves, a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 4 tablespoons of basil, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1/3 cup of grated cheese. Now that all the ingredients are assembled, start by mincing your 4 cloves of garlic. This will be the first ingredient put into the crock pot. Now to cut up half an onion and also add that to the crock pot. Now to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And give everything a stir. Now add the 3 cans of crushed tomatoes. Now add a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 4 tablespoons of basil, and once again, give it a good stir. Once everything is mixed in, we'll put our lid on the crock pot and we'll set it for low for 6 hours to cook. 30 minutes before the end of the cook time, take 1/3 cup of grated cheese, add it to your sauce, give it a good stir, put the lid back on. Okay, here's the final product. You can see by the consistency, this is a thicker spaghetti sauce than what you'd find in a jar, obviously. Plus, it's going to taste a lot better because you made it yourself with some real simple ingredients. I cooked up some pasta and just threw it on top and good to go. It tastes very, very good. I'm impressed. If you follow this recipe, you're going to end up with the equivalent of 3 jars of spaghetti sauce. So it might not be a bad idea to use part of it now for your meal and freeze the rest. That way you're already ahead of the game and you just have to warm up the sauce the next time you need something that calls for spaghetti sauce. I hope you find value in this recipe and try it out. If you like what I'm doing here, please share, like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Thank you for watching.